Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're just going to be testing this M4 URGI. Just excuse the butt pad on there. I just wanted to demonstrate the wiring. Obviously we've got the Prometheus gold bar kit in there, which just converts the end over, and then obviously you just put the cover over the top and then the cap on the end, and if it's a 1300 or 7.4 in there, just stuffing the wires down the side there. So we've got the Jeftron Leviathan MOSFET. We had a little bit of fun and games with that one with an intermittent sensor, but we've put a brand new one in there and that's working fine now. We've also got the Warhead high-speed motor, that's in there. We've got the red Prometheus Epsilon trigger. We've got the Psionic R Hop. We've got the Prometheus gold bar kit, as I said. Prometheus Air Nozzle, EagleSix upgrade mainspring, EagleSix Recoil return spring, Prometheus 6mm bearings, FPS Spring guide, FPS piston head, FPS cylinder, FPS cylinder head, FPS tappet plate, FPS piston, Prometheus Selector plate, Prometheus gears, and the gold EagleSix Blowback bar, which equates to a level 10 build. So yeah, that's all in there, and we're just ready to demonstrate it working now. That's all working now as an intermittent sensor. To be cutting it out like it was detecting the bolt stop. You could see it on the sensor panel, but flashing, but the bolt button would never pop out. Yet the sensor was flashing, indicating it was being detected. So yeah, we put a new one in, and it's completely resolved the issue. So a bunch of wasted time we don't get back. There we go, we're ready to pass that. It's gone all the way through the test now, which is good. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise we hope you enjoy. I'm going to put all the build specification in the description for the video, and I'm going to link you the video and you'll be able to watch it, and then hopefully everything's all good, and then hopefully we can post this out tomorrow. So excellent, thank you very much.